What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got another errand to run today. My family has about 15 birthdays in the month of November, all culminating around Thanksgiving. So that means I got to do a lot of shopping. But luckily I can get stuff like alcohol, which everyone seems to like in my family. So my sister and her husband, their birthdays are like 3 days apart. And they both like tequila, so I'm going to get them a nice bottle of tequila as a joint birthday gift. I've kind of given up on this bike situation that I was trying to rig up through my phone. The sound was just shitty. So there's a little liquor store. It's up here on Ludlow Street that has a pretty good selection. Hopefully they'll have a nice bottle of tequila in the price range that I'm looking for. How are you? I'm looking for a tequila in like the $80 range.
Yep.
Got anything to suggest?
Oh,
okay, cool.
the Casa George one is $83.99. That's the $82.99 one. The Yeho is really good from it's 96 though, and then I have this one's for 91.
Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah, it's a
Which between that one and the Dragonis one?
The Mayan.
The Mayan one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that. Thanks so much. Gotta love the Zooz. This would have been a half-hour ordeal, but instead it's a 10-minute round trip, if that. So quick. Yeah, because that's like a 15-minute walk for me, one way. So 15 minutes there, 15 minutes back. Nice and quick. Getting all sorts of shit on my to-do list done. I don't know if it's boring for you guys to watch me run errands, but thanks for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. And as always, tell your friends and tell your fucking grandma.